guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but as most of you know, I live in South Wales. And look at this. I'd start to film a video. I start to. I mean, look at that, guys. Can't even see my steps. And it's so windy. Guys, then I'm going back in for the day in the warmth. See you in a bit. I don't know how bad it will be, but it's not fun. It's in the middle of this room. So now. So guys, I'm pretty much back in my room now. I didn't get the pictures I wanted because, as you can see in the vlog, it's just way too windy out there. I could hardly breathe, if I'm honest. So I'll have to try again tomorrow, but it's apparently forecasted bad weather again tomorrow. And look at this, guys. Apparently all weather microphones snapped right off the thing that's meant to make it move. Okay, see? It won't focus. Maybe I can auto-focus it. But as you can see, guys, still won't focus. It snapped right off. So I'm probably going to have to glue it. All weather microphone, my arse. As much as how good of a microphone it is, snapped. So going to have to glue it, like I said, because that's obviously one of the most important parts, and obviously where this is attached to the actual microphone, I don't think I'm going to be able to replace it. So hopefully super glue will do it, guys. I'll update you some more in a bit.